Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to create a contour cut path on a raster image. So what I did is I brought in my image here. This one just happens to be a PNG. It would essentially work the same if it was a JPEG. So what we're going to do first is we're going to copy it. So we're going to do Control C, and we're going to paste it in place with Control Shift V. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to Image Trace, and we're going to set it to Silhouette. Okay, and so now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and expand it. So now you can see that we've got all these editable paths here, and I found it's easier to drop the transparency on it while you're working on this. And so now we're just going to go ahead and add a stroke, and that looks pretty good for a contour cut on a sticker. And so that was just 18 points there. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to expand the appearance, and we're going to go ahead and bump our transparency back up to 100. At this point here, we could take our Pathfinder tool and we are going to unite. And if there were still gaps within here from adding the stroke, you could just go ahead and take any shape you would like and go ahead and cover up those gaps like so. And then you would take whatever shapes you drew over it with the shape that was live traced, and you would unite those as well. So now if we send that to the back with Control Shift left bracket, you can see that it contours the raster image quite nice. And so now we're going to come up to swatches, and we are going to take the fill off and add the stroke, which is going to be our cut through. And you can see now we have this nice graphic here. And you are good to size it to the sticker size. Thanks for watching. Actually, hold on. Quick tip. We're going to take just the stroke that we added, and I'm going to copy that and paste it in place again. Then I'm going to hold Shift, and I'm going to left click on the graphic, and I'm going to create a clipping mask, and then we could send that to the back with Control Shift left bracket. So now our cut path is on top, and you don't have those like the leftover space from the raster image. And now you can select them both, group them with Control G, and now we could properly set the size. So this is a 3-inch sticker, so we're just going to go ahead and type in 3, hit tab, and yeah, that's how it's done. Thanks for watching.